Assalamualaikum and hi. The topic given to our group, which is 8B, is law enforcement. Our group members consist of 7 people, and I will start this topic with introduction. The chemical waste pollution of Sungai Kim Kim 2019 is a water pollution incident that occurred in 7 March 2019 caused by the dumping of chemical waste in Sungai Kim Kim, Pasir Gudang, Johor, Malaysia. The picture below shows that the colour of the river water has changed due to chemical waste pollution. The illegal dumping released toxic fumes affecting 6,000 people and hospitalizing 2,775 people. Most of the victims were school students, and 110 schools located near the river were subsequently closed. In August 2019, residents in Aceh Wales village complained that the water in both rivers has turned black and oily with unbearable foul stench which were believed to have spread from the chemical pollution of the Kim Kim River.
The environment law in Malaysia are very weak. This is because the environment law in Malaysia by corruption. The symptom of corruption increase, citing laws are no longer relevant to the current situation causing pollution. Next, lack of monitoring from superiors. The EIA report is not prepared and published. The EIA report is an assessment that needs to be done to avoid the occurrence of pollution due to a construction. If there is no proper assessment, the pollution that occurs may harm the world. Next, lack of responsible party staff. The high abuse of power, only interested in money and property from some parties. Example of dumping toxic waste by factories are not subject to legal action. Next, lack of exposure to environmental laws. The environmental crime is become more critical. This is because environmental crime is not considered a priority in some parts of the country, resulting in no appropriate action from the concerned parties. Next, lack of awareness about environmental protection. The development activities are only focused on economic progress to the point of ignoring the importance of the environment. The occurrence of negative impact on the world ecosystem due to the lack of general knowledge about environmental protection, not practicing sustainable. Sustainable means minimizing the negative impact on the environment and the use of resources.
The weakness of a law enforcement first is a loss of a clean sources. For example, through investigation, a tanker truck is believed to have dumped chemical waste into the Kim Kim River early in the morning and have caused the river to be polluted to the point of affecting the domestic activity of the resident. The impact will get this a loss of a clean water. Second weakness is a law enforcement affect the health of the population. For example, in the case of the Kim Kim River, pollution have affected health of students from school in Pasir Gudang are started complaining of a nausea, dizziness and vomiting. The authority later confirmed it as the third worst of the air poisoning due to river pollution that was completely clean. The issue cannot be taken lightly because it not only affect human health but also affect animal health.
In conclusion, the government should improve law enforcement in Malaysia by regularly monitoring. The public is also advised to report any suspicious activities, and all parties should not take lightly environmental issues that may result in pollution. Thank you.